Just how complex, yet perfect, can nature be? It reaches its finest expression in both the largest and smallest ecosystems. Nature has its very own harmony, which it uses to defend, respect, and safeguard both itself and the environment, guaranteeing the well-being of the entire planet. In some of its systems, individual organisms work together in a structured and perfectly balanced way to build complex realities which are independent and sustainable. Thanks to constant, precise teamwork carried out on a day-to-day basis, they are able to go way beyond their limits, obtaining the best from everything around them, turning it into something new, unique, and precious. The synergy of multiple skills and attention to every single detail bring us VLS, the innovative range of water chillers and heat pumps by Galletti, which maximizes seasonal efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. The perfect solution for your comfort and our environment.